Then we have your positron emission tomography. Okay? Si positron naman, si PET scan, kung tatawagin natin, positron emission tomography is the one that uh, checks the brain metabolism. Okay? So how the brain functions and processes all of the nutrients that is being transferred or being tawag dito, being transported inside the brain. Okay? So anong ginagawa natin dito? We inject a radioisotope dye and we allow the visualization of the brain's oxygen uptake, blood flow, and glucose metabolism. Ang magiging appearance niya is ganito. Parang um, may mga colors, no? And may mga corresponding meaning yan. Okay? Ang chine-check natin dito yung response ng brain natin when it comes to oxygen, blood flow, and glucose metabolism. Now, for the nursing responsibilities, we have to make sure that the procedure was explained to the patient, nakuha din yung informed and written consents, nakapag-check din tayo ng mga allergies ng patient because since we will be injecting a radioisotope, pwede kasing mag-react yung patient sa dye. And we want to make sure that the patient did not drink alcohol, tobacco, and caffeine for 24 hours before the procedure. Since we are talking here about metabolism, these factors can alter the metabolism of the patient. Kaya para hindi tayo makakuha ng false positive or false negative na results, we have to stop these activities for 24 hours. And of course, withhold any medications that can alter the metabolism of the brain. So ito yung mga medications that helps in the metabolism like yung thyroid hormones.